Hello everyone, welcome to the Unit 5 Mastery Assignment, the Blended Learning Lesson Plan. This lesson plan puts you into the blended learning classroom. When you get out into your student teaching placements and professional careers, because you're fresh out of school, you will be expected to blend. This mastery assignment puts you in the shoes of an Horry County teacher and is a learning exercise in the process of a successful and effective blended learning lesson plan. Think of this lesson plan as a more in-depth and professional blended learning lesson plan than your homework assignment from the other week. This Mastery Blended Learning Lesson Plan is designed to prepare you for ADEPT, the first and second year teacher program South Carolina educators must go through. In ADEPT, you will have to submit many detailed lesson plans and accompanying analysis. This mastery has high expectations for step-by-step detail and analysis, just like ADEPT. To begin, pick a new topic you would like to teach for your subject area and grade level. It may help to peruse the state standards for what you want to teach linked off of the home page on this course resource website. After you choose at least one standard, paste it into the Blended Learning Lesson Plan template available on this Unit 5 page. Then create a catchy title and write 2 well-written objectives utilizing students will be able to, as well as action words posted on the home page of this website. For the context section, describe what came before this topic in the lesson, what comes after this topic in the lesson, and what students are going to get out of this topic that you're teaching now. Why are you teaching what you're teaching right now? For example, if students are learning about World War II in your blended learning lesson plan, the context may be that students are bringing in knowledge from lesson topics on the unrest in Europe, Germany's intrusion into Poland, and the bombing of Pearl Harbor. You are designing this lesson so that students understand the total cost and toll on Europe and Russia. In addition, in the next lesson, students will learn about the ending of World War II and the splitting of East and West Germany. The next section is data. Blended learning is student data driven. How will students be grouped for this lesson and what hypothetical data will these groupings be based on? How will you collect additional data during this lesson in order to inform future teaching and groupings? Remember, your independent digital activities are a great spot to harness student data through web tools and apps that send student data to the teacher. Also, consider using an exit ticket app or web tool in order to collect data at the very end of the lesson. For materials, list all the tools used in this lesson, concrete and abstract. Worksheets, apps, websites, tablets, cell phones, even pencils and protractors should be listed here. Separating each material with a comma is fine. Moving down the template, write precise step-by-step instructions for what students and the teacher will be doing in the introduction of the lesson, the 3 dynamic rotations, which are teacher-directed small group, collaborative, and independent digital, as well as the closing. Estimate the time each step will take. Long, detailed paragraphs are expected here. For the rationale, write a paragraph justification for why the technology you chose supports student learning. How do you know that the app, website, video, whatever you used is of high quality? How does it align to the standards and objectives you are teaching? Check out the 8 bullet points in the Evaluating Multimedia module reading and PowerPoint for your ideas. Finally, think back to the Assistive Technologies module. Explain how these multimedia choices differentiate instruction for all learners. Be sure to review the student project examples at the bottom of this page so that you understand what is expected of you. As always, if you have any questions pertaining to this project, please let your instructor know.